Hello again, everyone. This is Patrick Pinto with BeeSeen Solutions, and welcome to another episode of the ABCs of Digital Marketing. Today, we're sitting with Stuart Emanuel, Vice President of Business Development at MedTech Search Consultants. Stuart, thank you for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thanks, Pat. Glad to be with you.
Stuart, giving the world who you are and what you do, could you give a little bit of your background and how you come together with MedTech?
Sure. I had a long career in IT services where I took a company from $45 million a year to over $750 million in annual revenue. And during that time, I, of course, learned how to find and identify top talent. And when I was looking for a career change after I left that, I found MedTech, which was a perfect fit for me because it's a small entrepreneurial company with great leadership and a great recruiting team to help us find and identify top talent, which we can bring to the table.
I have to tell you, it's a pedigreed history that you have, and yes, it is a beautiful synergistic mesh of both your talents and MedTech Search Consultants together. Because, as you said, we've been dealing with them for a while and doing a lot of their digital marketing and their lead generation for them. And I have to tell you, the responses that we get back from individuals looking to work with them, looking to be positioned by them, looking to work in a cohesive relationship with them has just been outstanding. Your firm, it really speaks for itself. If you were to give a niche audience an exact kind of diagram of the company, how would you explain it?
Well, from an org chart point of view.
Well, the type of individuals that you would be looking to place or reach out to.
Okay. So we really focus in two specific areas. One of them is the medical device field, and the other one is IT. And my background is like 35 years in IT services. So I really understand the terminology and understand exactly what our clients mean when they talk about a specific skill set and so on. So we're pretty good at fitting the right pieces to the puzzle together to satisfy our client requirements. One of our senior partners came out of the medical devices field, and our other senior partner also came out of IT. So we don't just hire young kids and teach them the words as they come out of recruiting. We actually find people who have worked in the field for these positions, so they really have a strong, in-depth knowledge of the kind of people that we need to find for our clients.
It really sounds like when you place someone or when you find someone to be placed, you are really putting a seasoned individual, someone who the learning curve has already been kind of worked through, and they understand the process and they understand the position, and they kind of just fluidly move into it.
That's the idea. We like to say that unless we're looking for a specific trainee for a client, everyone that we bring into a company can hit the ground running, and we make sure that we've got a strong cultural fit. We make sure that they're going to mesh with the leadership in the organization and buy into the company's vision and mission. We spend a lot of time looking at that up front before we ever start bringing candidates in.
So let me ask you this, because you've filled me with a wonderful idea of, again, knowing what your company does, but you've given the interview and people watching it a full understanding as well of MedTech Search Consultants. What would you like to leave the interview with? What would you like to leave as a lasting kind of memory impression with everyone watching?
Well, we're really experts at what we do. I don't believe there's any company out there that has the depth and breadth of experience that we do in finding and identifying the right talent. We have some pretty impressive results in that after 1 year, we've got in excess of a 97% retention basis of all the people that we've put into companies. We're hiring about 30% faster than the companies have experienced in the past. And we also, while we rarely have to use it, we also have an outstanding guaranteed. So if an individual is not the right fit, we're going to replace that person at no charge to the client.
I have to tell you, I work with many firms that are like yours, but obviously in their own markets. You really have not only polished the market that you're in, but again, from all the clients that we're dealing with and talking with through you and from you, and just the word that we hear about your company, about MedTech Search Consultants, you guys really shine above everyone else. You really have made a mark within the industry. I thank you for taking the time today to speak with us. I want everyone who's watching the video, please give Stuart a strong look. Give the due diligence of taking the time. Please look him up on LinkedIn, Stuart Emanuel, MedTech Search Consultants. Please look the business page up as well. Go to their website. Give Stuart the opportunity to speak with you. I promise you'll walk away very impressed.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Pat. We look forward to working together with you for a long time. You've provided us an excellent service with great results, and look forward to working with some of our viewers in the near future as well.
Well, thank you. As I like to always close out an interview with all of our wonderful clients, again, I thank you for taking the time. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful week of success. And as I always say to everyone, be safe, be smart, and always remember, it's good to be seen.
Thank you. Thanks, Pat.
You're welcome.